Hey there, this is Gary Wiseman with Keller Williams, and it's time for another Market Scoreboard. This is where we take a big picture view at the real estate market. We break it down into bite-sized chunks of information where you can go brag and show your friends how smart you are about the real estate market, and then we tell you who's winning. So this week we're looking at Frisco. First off, we'll take a look at how is the market. That's the question I get all the time. If you look at the entire market, right now we have just over 4 months worth of inventory. Anytime you have less than 3 months, you're in a seller's market. Once you get to that 4 to 6 months range, you're in a balanced market, and over 7 months is a buyer's market. Now this just over 4 months inventory is for the entire market. If you break that down into smaller price ranges, say $100,000 price ranges or so, anything below $500,000 is still in that seller's market. We're still less than 3 months worth of inventory. It's when you get to those higher price ranges that it's starting to become a balanced market, and they're sitting around a little bit longer, and we have more inventory just sitting there. Last week, Frisco had 91 houses hit the market, and currently there's 1,032 houses actively for sale, with 316 under contract. So you want to keep that in mind. That 316 is just about a third of the market. So while you're looking online for houses, about a third of the houses you're seeing, or 30% of the houses that you're seeing, are actually already under contract. So keep that in mind while you're looking online for houses. Year to date, we've sold 2,550 homes in Frisco, and the average price in Frisco is just over $455,000, which is up about $26,000 from last year. So prices are still on the rise. Average days on market are 46 days. And again, looking at the whole market, it's appreciated about 7% this year, which is a little bit less than it has been the past few years, but it's still above historical averages for the area. So who's winning in this market right now? Anyone who's selling a home under $500,000 should be getting top dollar, should be having short days on market, and not having to make too many concessions to the buyer. So if you're selling under $500,000, you're winning. If you're selling and moving up, so if you're selling less than $500,000 and you're moving to a more expensive price range, you're getting the best of both worlds. You should have a fairly easy sell as long as you're priced right and your condition's good. And then whenever you're moving to that higher price market, there's inventory there. There's actually choices for you. So that's who's winning right now. If you are selling your house and it's under that $500,000 price range and your days on market are over the average, over that 46 days on market, there's a few things you want to take a look at. You want to take a look at your location, you want to take a look at your condition, you want to take a look at your price, and you want to take a look at your presentation to the market. Now, what does that mean? First off, location. There's not a whole lot you can do about that, but if there's something negative like you back to train tracks, or there's power lines behind your house or something like that that could have a negative impact, there's a couple of things you can do. You can either up your condition, so maybe do a couple improvements, or you can lower your price to make it more appealing to the market. Next, we take a look at condition. If all the other houses in your neighborhood have granite countertops, wood floors, pools, if there's just something that your house doesn't have that everyone else does have, you might either want to make a repair to up your condition or adjust your price down to make it appealing to the market. Next, we have price. Buyers have tons of information at their fingertips right now, and they're looking at a lot of houses. They can tell if it's a good price or if it's not a good price. So if you're overpriced right now, those houses tend to sit on the market longer. So adjusting your price can definitely get you back to where you want to be, where your house is getting under contract. And lastly, if you think your location is good, if you think your condition is good, and you think your price is good, you want to take a look at how your home is presented to the market. What does this mean? This means, did you have a professional stager come and help you make your home look its best? Did you get professional photography done? Have you had professional videos done for the marketing of your home? If all these things are in place, your house should be selling fairly quickly, especially if it's in that under $500,000 price range. If you have any questions, please feel free. Comment on this video, shoot me an email, give me a call. Happy to help out any way I can, answer any questions. I'd love to hear from you. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.